Welcome to this tutorial. Let me tell you that this is not actually my voice. And I'm going to show you how to change your voice, like this one that I'm doing, and then the next voice that you're going to hear will be my voice.
Now, welcome to this tutorial. This is actually my voice. So let me show you how to use Capcut and change your voice to a different voice. Now here you can see this is the Capcut background and we have here create project. So let's say that you want to start a new project. So you just click on create project and then you want to import a new file or a new media, a new video that you want to change the voice. So let me just come here and just pick a video. And let's use this sample video for our tutorial. Just drag it and drop it on the timeline, and I'm gonna play this video. You can hear the sound of the voice of the person that is presenting on this particular video. So let's go there.
Yawning. Here's a compilation of people yawning. This one's for you, a super close-up of a person.
So did you hear that? So that is not the actual voice that we want to use in this particular video. So now let's change the voice. So to change the voice, I want to show you this particular tool here. This is audio. So when you come to audio, you come here to basic and then you see another one here, the voice changer. So this is the voice changer that we want to use to change the voice of this video. So when you are here on voice changer, you have here the voice filters and also have here voice characters, and you also have here speech to song. So here voice character, under voice characters you have different voice characters. You have original, you have chipmunk, you have squirrel, but there are some character here that may also sound like a human. If you want to hear how they sounds, you can also click on those characters to hear how they sound. So for the sake of our tutorial and we don't want to waste your time, we just want to pick on a particular character. Let's say we just select queen, so you can just come here and play around it and hear the sound of other characters. Let's select queen. So when you click on queen, it's on the character name, it's going to load and it's to download the character, the sound of the character for you. So what you just need to do is just to wait a little while, and then it's to count here. If you see, as you see here, it's counting 7.4%, and if you come here you see the percentage, but it's not going to take time. It may not even take up to 2 minutes or 1 minute. As you can see, it is completed. So now let's go there. Let me show you the voice as it has been applied.
Yawning. Here's a compilation of.
Oh, we've heard that. That is not the first voice. Now let's drag this and drop it here so that you can see the difference between the two voices. Now I want to show you the difference. So let's mute this and play the original.
Yawning. Here's a compilation of people yawning. This one's for you, a super close-up of a person yawning.
Hope you got that right. So now I want to mute this and then unmute this so that I can also play this. You hear the change in the voice.
Not all. Look at this. Someone walks by and they also yawn.
That's cool, right? That's cool. All right, so that is it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you find it helpful, so kindly subscribe to this channel and share this video for others to also benefit.